Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install the IPTV Smarters Pro on your phone. But before we get started in today's video, I'm just gonna just in case you're wondering, the reason I take a while to upload videos, the reason is I take a while to get to get the video idea. Then I'm lazy to get up and start recording. But once I'm finally up and recorded the video, I still have to edit. Then I upload, and that takes me like 1 or 2 months. I don't know. Yeah. If you haven't joined the Discord, make sure to join. Links in the description. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. And now, first, what you want to do is open Google Chrome, and you want to look up. What you want to look up is IPTV Smarters.com. Okay, then you want to press enter. And well, I was already on the page. It'll take you to this page right here. You just want to keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling till you reach this downloads part. And there's going to be Android. And there's download direct download APK files, or get it on Google Play. You cannot download it on Google Play. It's not the same one you have on your TV. So you just want to press direct download, and it's going to send you here. Now, you just wait a few seconds. If it does not download, there's this option that says click here. You want to press on that. And I do not know why it keeps showing me this stupid survey. Okay, you're going to press download. And then you're going to wait for it to download the file. Easy. Okay, and I'm going to press open. Then it's going to be staging. The app is going to say, do you want to download this app? Right now, apparently I have it installed, even though I deleted it. But you just don't press install, and then wait. Apparently this is what's gonna show you. So just wait for it to install, and yeah, let's wait. Let's have a quick montage. It's waiting time, waiting time, waiting time, waiting time, it's waiting time, waiting time, waiting time, waiting time, it's waiting time, waiting time. Okay, guys, so now it got downloaded. Oh my god, it keeps showing. So now I downloaded the app, and as you can see, it shows right here. So now you can just drag it out, put it wherever you want. I'm just gonna put it in a folder with Prime Video. Okay, now once you open it, right here, it's gonna show. You wanna press mobile, and make sure it's select to mobile. Then you press save. Then you're gonna have to accept. And then to log in, I think you just press here. Yep. And then you fill your information. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to comment what you want to see me do in next time's video, so that I do not take 2 years to upload. And join the Discord, links in the description. And I'll see you in the next video.